Hello friends. Today, we will discuss about range function and its uses. What is range function? Range function returns the sequence of number, starting from 0 by default, and increment by 1, and end with before specified number. What is the syntax and its parameter? We will write range within a bracket, start number, stop position, increment number. These are three parameters which is used in range function. Start. It is optional. It is used to define start position. By default, it start with from 0. Stop. It is required for end the position. Increment. It is optional. By default, its value is 1. Let's see an example. Here, we want to print a number from 0 to 4, where x is a variable, and we did not define any starting number and increment number in range function. We used only n number. Here, number will start from 0, and increment will be +1 by default, as I told you earlier. So, the output will to print a number from 0 to 4. Here is another example. In this example, we define starting position number and end number only. Here, number will start from 3 because we have defined it, and increment will be +1 by default, as I told you earlier. So, the output will to print a number from 3 to 6. Here is another one more example. In this example, we used all three parameters, that is start number, stop number and increment number which we want. Here, number will start from 2 and increment will be +3. So, the output will print the number from 2 to 8. 11 is not printed, because last number is printed by less than 1 of n number, which is defined in range. That is 10. But after increment of 3 in 8, number will become 11. So, 11 or 10 will not be printed. Next is, what is reversed function? Reversed function is an inbuilt function, which can print the integer in reversed order, if you wrap the range function inside reversed function. Let's understand by example. Here, in this example, you can see that number have been printed in reversed order from 4 to 0. It have been done because of using reverse function in range function.